See these little black dots? That's mold. Mildew is still like on there. It's like inside the vinyl. So we're going to chemical treat it to kill it and make sure this stuff, it just lasts longer. If you don't kill it in 6 months, it'll be green again. But we're going to get more life out of it because we're going to chemical treat it. Give us a call, 281-660-3474. A-Pro pressure washing. Looks pretty clean right here. I just pressure washed it, and you can still tell no matter how much pressure I really use. Like, I don't want to gouge up the fence or anything. You can see it up here too. I don't know if you can or not, but there's still mold here, especially right here. It's all mold. This is why it's so important to chemical treat. Just watch it disappear before your eyes. Because that mold is actually inside that vinyl. It just disappears. And it just makes it last a lot longer. You know, instead of a couple months or 6 months, the mold comes back where your customers are so happy and they go, oh my God, it's lasted so long, I want to use you again. We've had it done every 6 months, and I'm like, what are they putting on it? Well, they just pressure wash it. I go, the mold and mildew is still there, all the spores are still there. You get to see it's gone. And that's what separates us from other companies. Give us a call, 281-660-3474. Mike, apropressurewash.com.